How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you'll get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell.
Attention all units. We have a code 6 party failing to stop for police. Supervisor requesting units on non-priority calls. Switch over to TAC 2 and monitor the chase.
Visibility 1 to 3 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ocean County, Mercer County, northern Burlington County, southwestern Monmouth County, southwestern Middlesex County, southeastern Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. At 12:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lawrenceville to Bordentown to near Lumberton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Mount Laurel, Manalapan, Ewing, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Jamesburg, Highttown, Bordentown, Cranberry, Yardley, Tullertown, Allentown, Roosevelt, Wrighttown, and Florence Woodland. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 4 and 9. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 357 and 359. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 23. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 38 and 76. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for at 1:04 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line. Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Cape May, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, outer waters from Sandy Hook to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 3:15 p.m. At 1:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles southwest of Cliffwood Beach to Great Egg Inlet, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Seacourt Reef, Atlantic City, Ship Bottom, Garden State South Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Great Egg Reef, Lavalette, Barnegat Light, North Beach Haven, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Park, Brigantine, Ocean Gate, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Barnegat Light Reef, and Monmouth Beach. harbor until hazardous weather passes. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 p.m. for northwestern Ocean, Mercer, northeastern Burlington, southwestern Monmouth, southwestern Middlesex, and the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atlantic County, southeastern Cumberland County, Ocean County, southeastern Mercer County, northern Cape May County, eastern Burlington County, Monmouth County, south central Middlesex County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Roosevelt to Old Halfway to near Estill Manor, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Atlantic City, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Ocean City, Lakewood, Jackson, Howell, Manalapan, Barnegat, Pleasantville, Tinton Falls, Hamilton, Beechwood, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, and Margate City. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 8 and 8A. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 6 and 34. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 20 and 109. Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 0 and 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. From Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 5 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles east of Deepwater Reef to 7 nautical miles east of 5 Fathoms Buoy to near Bethany Beach, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Deepwater Reef, Rehoboth Beach, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Bethany Beach, Buoy 4FB and Indian River Inlet Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the forecast.